Good morning. This ain't Vietnam still.
Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
Yo, this your boy Pedro, man. We just made a beat. I ain't even gonna lie. This shit hard. I ain't even gonna lie, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. This shit hard, yo. This shit is hard. So let's just get straight to it. See me down, would you pick me up? Whether in the car or we on the bus, you waiting for the feeling no matter what. Hey, would you do that for me?